Next thing on our agenda is to do this second story thing. It kind of hangs out over this area here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new wall, saving the project. But that wall has to start on level 2. The question is, where's the wall going to start? And I've got to be able to restrict it to another level. So let's go down here quick and go down to the north level, or the north elevation. Typically when I create a new level, I just hold control down and drag an existing level up. So now I've got level, it should say level 3, for some reason it says level 4. Its elevation should be 20 feet. 10 foot above that level. Now I want to create a wall using some of the existing walls as a reference point. So I'm going to take a quick look. I'm going to go over here to the this is the framing plan that I gave you. So it kind of gives you an idea where this wall is located. See, it sits, if I take from this corner here, it's 7'8" plus 2 foot. So 9'8" to that corner. That'll give you the corner of the wall there. Now the question is, how far is away? It's actually the same both directions. It should be. Well, it says 8'4". So so it's a little different one way than it is the other. So I need to create a wall, and it needs to start 7'8" down from this wall, and it's 1510 by 1510, subtracting out the 2 foot overhangs that I have on the roof system. And the roof's pitch is 5 to 12. That's going to be important when we do the roof. Let's go back to Revit. So I'm going to draw the wall. Draw a wall. I'm going to start at that corner, and I'm going to go down this 7, 8, 9'8" from that corner. So I'm just going to go down 9'8". I could start with construction lines, but I decided not against doing that. So I want to draw another wall, starting at the end point of this wall, going this way. Now in the other direction, we were saying it might have been a little bit different. From this corner, it's 8'4" plus 2 foot. So to get that corner there, I've got to go 8'4" from this corner, or 9'4". It's interesting, I never noticed that. That wall is off. So from that corner, go this way, 9'4". And then I'm going to draw my wall straight up this way. Use the fillet command to create the corner. So this wall is actually located 9 foot or 8'8". And this wall is located, so I would drag this up to there. The outside of the wall is 9'8", just like I wanted it to be. But this wall, its control point, if I push it to the outside of that wall, is 8'8". Does that agree with my other drawing? 8'4". No, it should be 9'4". 9'4". Okay, so that's where that wall should sit. So I can use the offset command and offset this wall, that total of, was it 15 feet 10? This 1510 and this 1510. 15 feet 10 inches. And that one, 15 feet 10 inches. And that'll give me this corner and that corner. The problem is it's middle of wall to middle of wall, and it's supposed to be outside. That's why this didn't line up with this other wall. So I've got to subtract out 8 inches. So this should be 15 feet, 2 inches. We took it out of the wrong direction. I can always do this, go backwards and say this is 15 feet, 2 inches. And then it'll come out right. So that landed right on where it's supposed to land. I can get rid of that wall and this wall that was helping me. And if I look at 3D view, actually I need to make sure that this wall and all of its connecting walls, base constraint is level 2. That's top constraint needs to be level 3. So in a view, 3D view, I've got that portion of the wall. Now don't worry about all the other concrete that's out here. You could put columns and you can dress this up if you'd like. We're going to have some limitations of how far we can go with this class. I want to get into the roof systems now. So that's will be the next video. Thank you.